This is a solution for time and distance problem. I am going to say about speed. We are mentioning the speed in kmph. So 60 kmph means one vehicle travel a distance of 60 km in 1 hour. That is 60 kilometers per hour. That's the meaning. So this is it means speed is equal to distance divided by time, where distance in kilometers and time in hours. Next, we should understand some conversion. Convert kmph to meter per second, because kilometer per hour, kilometer and hour are bigger units. Sometimes we have to convert it into meter per second. Here we know 1 kilometer is equal to 1000 meter. 1 hour is equal to 60 into 60 seconds. Everybody knows it. So what is 1 kilometer per hour is equal to 1000 divided by 60 into 60 seconds. This is meter. Is equal to how much? 10 divided by 36 is equal to 5 by 18. So for conversion, it is so much meter per second. So we can convert this 60 kmph, kilometers per hour, is equivalent to 60 into 5 by 18 meter per second. So we have to understand this one, this conversion. Take this formula: 1 kmph is equal to 5 by 18 meter per second. So what is equivalent to 1 meter per second? It is equal to 18 by 5 kilometers per hour. So remember, speed is equal to distance by time, and 1 kmph is equal to 5 by 18 meter per second. There are 2 points, A and B. So distance AB is equal to 15 kilometer. From here, one man X travels at a speed of 30 kmph towards this direction, and another man Y is traveling at a speed of 25 kmph towards this direction. This man, this X, starts at 7 a.m. This man starts at a later time of 7:10 a.m. So we want to find out at what distance or at what point they will meet together. So let it be C. So question is, where is C and what is the time? At what time they will meet and what is the distance? To solve this problem, we have to start both person at the same time. One man is start at 7 a.m. and another man is at 10 a.m. First we have to find out at 7:10 a.m. where this x will be. So within 10 minutes, this is the time he has taken 10 minutes and he is traveling at 30 km/h. With 10 minutes he will reach here at a point D. First we have to find out where it is D. This distance we want to find out. AD is equal to how much? We know speed is equal to 30 km/h and time is equal to 10 minutes. 10 minutes we have to calculate the same time. You have to start at this time. So this man start at 7:10, this man will start at 7 hours. So at 7:10, at what distance he will be? So time is 10 minutes. We know S is equal to D by T. We want to find out D. So D is equal to S into T. Here the speed is in km, 30 km/h into 10 minutes. Either we have to convert, this is km/h hour and this is minutes. We have to convert both into one unit. Here it is very easy to convert this 10 minutes into hour. So it is 30 km/h into 10 divided by 60 hours. So 300 divided by 60 is equal to 5 kilometer. So within 10 minutes this x will travel at a distance of 5 kilometer and he will reach at there at 7:10 a.m. So now x is here at 7:10 a.m. x is here and y is here. So from here this man is going to start at 30 km/h and this man is at 25 km/h and both have to cover a distance of 10 km. Total 15 km, 5 km already covered, so rest is 10 km. Here distance is equal to 10 km. Here see now this we want to find out at what point they will meet together, that is C. So we know DC plus CB, DC plus CB is equal to 10 kilometer. C is the unknown point. So DC plus CB is equal to 10 km. So what is DC? It is the distance. DC is equal to what? DC is equal to speed into time. So we don't know time. Time also we don't know. So DC is equal to 30 T. 30 into T. And CB is equal to 25 T. So 30 T plus 25 T is equal to 10 kilometer. Here 30 T plus 25 T is equal to 10 kilometer. So 55 T is equal to 10. T is equal to 10 divided by 55. So we got the time. So what is here? Here it is, we got the time when they will meet here. So we can find out the distance. Distance this DC is equal to 30 T. So is equal to 30 into 10 by 55. So this is in hour. Time is in hour. So we will get 300 divided by 55. 300 divided by 55 is equal to 5.45 kilometer. Is equal to approximately 5.5 kilometer. So C is at a point. So C is at a point of 5.5 kilometer from here. So here this man X starts at 10 a.m. at 30 kmph and B starts at 25 kmph at the same time 10 a.m. This man will travel at 5.5 kilometer and this man travel is only at 4.5 kilometer. 10 minus 5.5 is equal to 4.5 kilometer. So here is the point. 4.5 kilometer from here. Both will meet together. We want to find out what is the time. So here time is equal to we know the distance. Distance is equal to 5.5 kilometer. We want to find out the time and we know the speed of x. Speed of x is equal to 30 kmph. S is equal to d by t. T is equal to d by s. Distance traveled is 5.5 kilometer and travel at a speed of 30 kmph, kilometer and per hour. So here you will get divided by 30 is equal to 0.18 hour is equal to into 60. This we can convert into minute into 60 is equal to 10.9 minutes. See, approximately 11 minutes. So after 11 minutes he will reach here. 7:10 they will start at 7:21 a.m. he will reach here. Now the solution is this x travel at 30 kmph at 7 a.m. and this y start from B at 7:10 a.m. Both travel towards each other. They will meet at 7:21 a.m. at C, at a point C. It is from 4.5 kilometer from B.